It's never a good sign when you're doing rust repair. When you keep hitting, you just have a steady stream of rust coming out. That's not usually a good sign, especially when these are the last rockers for this model car on the planet, and it looks like you got that much more to go. I'm gonna have to get creative with some sheet metal. Plow's cutting out some rusty floors and gonna get some new sheet metal put in here. That's one section cut. Got to get all this rod out. Started cutting along this rocker here, got that. I'm going to cut up into that rusty stuff along there. Then I'll weld in a patch. Then I'm going to cut these floorboards out and those kick panels, whatever the fuck they call those. And we'll get new sheet metal in there too. Getting a little progress on getting this rod out. Got my line traced, got to cut all that out. Got to make sure not to hurt these cross members, which I'm being very careful of. I'm using a super weak plasma cutter for that reason. It won't really cut through the thicker stuff, just cuts through the sheet metal. I'm gonna get this other floorboard over here marked out, get the trunk marked out, and then I'm gonna get all this cut out today. Yeah, it definitely looks like this is gonna be a longer project than I thought. A lot more rust repair I'm gonna have to do, getting ready to cut these floors out. Body mounts are destroyed and rusted. Gonna have to replace and reinforce those. Super nasty. So yeah, this thing is going to get some money in it for sure, but the guy wants it done. So got to get this trunk pan cut out, get some sheet metal in there, and then got to get this floor cut out over here. That body mounts bad. So this thing's getting some work, but I'm gonna get these panels cut out. Well, there definitely is not going to be a whole lot of less bitch left once I get all the rock cut out, but hey, at least we're saving it. Yeah, not a whole lot left of this thing, but hey, we're getting somewhere, making some progress. Gonna have to do a cross member, it looks like, right here as well, which sucks, but pretty common size, and I think I'll be able to splice it, make it strong.